Thinking about renovating your home but don't know where to start? Don't worry, you're not alone. A home renovation can feel like a huge project, but with a little planning, it can be an incredibly rewarding experience that completely transforms your living space. First things first, let's talk about inspiration. Before you pick up a single tool, you need a vision. Spend some time on sites like Pinterest or Instagram and flip through home design magazines. Create a mood board. Are you drawn to a minimalist, modern look, or do you prefer something more cozy and rustic? Maybe a bright, bohemian vibe is more your style. Save images of colors, textures, furniture, and layouts that you love. These will be your guide throughout the entire process and will help you communicate your ideas clearly to contractors or designers if you hire them. Next up, the budget. This is probably the least fun part, but it's the most crucial. Be realistic about what you can afford. Start by getting quotes for the big-ticket items like flooring, kitchen cabinets, or any structural changes. And here's a pro tip. Always, and I mean always, add a contingency fund. Aim for about 15 to 20% of your total budget. Unexpected issues will pop up, like hidden plumbing problems or old wiring that needs replacing. Having that extra cash set aside will save you a ton of stress. Now, let's get to the fun part. Prioritizing your projects. You might want to do everything at once, but it's often smarter to tackle your renovation in phases. What's most important to you? Is it a functional kitchen where your family can gather? Or maybe a spa-like bathroom to unwind in after a long day? Focus on the rooms that will have the biggest impact on your daily life first. For example, renovating a kitchen often adds the most value to a home, so that could be a great place to start. Also, think about DIY versus hiring a pro. There are plenty of projects you can tackle yourself to save money, like painting, changing hardware, or even laying some types of flooring. But for things like electrical work, plumbing, or knocking down walls, it's usually best to call in a licensed professional. It's not just about safety. It's about making sure the job is done right the first time. Renovating your home is a journey, not a race. It takes time, patience, and a lot of decision-making. But when you're finally relaxing in your newly designed space, all the hard work will be totally worth it. So get inspired, set your budget, make a plan, and get ready to create the home of your dreams. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more home renovation advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.